still marking 2 hours later, maybe 3, who cares? Some great music, great tracks, instrumental of course, so I don't confuse my mind with what I'm grading and marking and reading. But I got in the flow a few minutes ago, and before I make another screen capture with the sound. But this one is completely crazy because it's nonsensical noise. Yokkafashga aninkitu warashita enokko sinte fora mistika na vista eshebo nakko wechikarabi wenya fata eshtiko no visna yahalo velavaji yokubila vana ke bo vashni ke bo hasna yakish devis avashta vishna وخمل باسافيسو بافيشلا شوك باسبي بكابوس باسافيش نوكاتافيش نوك باسابي يوكا لكشني بيس نو فاكيشنا شنا وكامي يوكا لافاشنا هبولا فاسيسنا واسابو واسابي اسا واسابي دا told you this was going to be crazy, nonsensical noise, but it really got me in the flow, keeps my mind awake, gets some rhymes. And here comes a crocodile from Darwin City. Have a good day. Hope this was entertaining. Don't forget, be creative, let your mind loose, and even if you're working, get a track, make some noise. Happy to share.